Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be working on the 4Runner. This is my 4th gen 4Runner, 2003 to 2009. Mine happens to be a 2008 and it's 4-wheel drive. So I'm going to be replacing a maintenance item on these things that you guys should too, because everyone overlooks these. I'm going to be replacing the differential and transmission breather plugs. They're super basic to replace. It will take you like 10 minutes or so. On the 4-wheel drive version, you'll have a front and rear differential, and they will have their own breather plugs, and then Toyota also put one on the transmission as well. So I'll show you where all of those are. Basically, you want to replace these because if it gets clogged, your axle seals will start leaking because of built up pressure on the inside. So we don't want that. We want to do this, it's easy, get out of the way so you don't have to replace axle seals in the future if they clog or whatever. So anyway, let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna show you the front ones first. So if you open your hood, located on the driver's side, you'll see these two little caps here. These are your breather plugs. Now, I don't know which one's for the differential and which one is for the transmission, but if I had to guess, this would be the transmission and this would be the differential. So these are actually pretty easy to replace. You're going to take the clip off. You're going to grab the plug and just twist it out. Compare the new one to the old one. Perfect. They look about the same. Just reinstall it and boom, you're done with that. Now we're gonna do this this other one too. Oh, and it looks like I ordered two of the same plugs. Whoopsie. So we're not gonna be able to replace this one. I will find the part number for this, and I'm pretty sure it's for the transmission. So I'll find the part number for this smaller one and I will pop it right up on the screen so that way you guys can do this as well. So let's jump on to the back. So all you need is a 14mm wrench. Slide it up and over. And just loosen this thing up. Old one is out. And let's put the new one in. And just snug it up. There we go. Done. All right, and here's the rear differential one. As you can see, this plug was not moving at all. The cap should move a little bit for everything to breathe, but it wasn't. Now if you look at one of these, I know this is from the front, but this cap should like spin around a little bit to release excess pressure. This one wasn't doing that. So I'm glad I replaced this. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now, of course, I'm dumb and I didn't order the right one for the front, so I'm gonna have to get a new one in, but it's literally the same thing. You just pop it out, pop the new one in, and you're done. And yeah, write that down for your service maintenance history. Anyways, that's it. If you guys like this video and found it helpful, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these, and I'll catch you on the next ride.